Hi friends, welcome to CSC Tech. In this video we are discussing about three topics: programming, need of programming, create and executing the programming. First topic is programming. Programming is a collaboration between human and computer. Programming creating a bonding between humans and computer. In this humans are creators and computers it does not have any creativity. It just follow the instructions which is given by the humans. Programming is giving a set of instructions to a computer to execute the task. For example, cooking. If you want to perform any recipe and you don't know how to prepare it, then you will ask your mother. Your mother give instructions to you. Then only you follow that instructions and prepare recipe well. Programming is everywhere and programming is for everyone. Need of programming language. The programming language enables us to write efficient programs and develop online solutions such as mobile applications, web applications, games, etc. Third topic is creating and executing a C++ program. In this process, we must follow the four phases. One is create, second one is save, third one is compile, fourth one is execute. Create, which is done by the editor or programmer. Save, whenever we create the program, we save the program. .cpp. This is the extension. Third phase is compile. The compilation process is translated the source code into a object code. If any errors in your program, the compiler shows a errors to you on display in the form of commands. Then the programmer must solve that errors. If you don't have any errors in your program, the compiler save the data on another file with .obj. Whenever you save the program, the data is saved into a compile file, one file. After compilation, the data which is stored in the another file, that is secondary storage disk. In between the compilation and execution, the middle part is linking. The linking process is creating a linking between the math.h and main function. For example, you take one class here, class A. In this class A, void power function you write here, and you just the class close here, and you write main method. Int main, by here we write clr we create object of class A. We call the function add power function. Just close it. The linking process, linking between the math.h library and object code. Here the power function data and object data, they both are stored in a math.h library, that is a predefined library. This both data which is stored in a math.h. So the linking process linked the data from math.h to main function. Next, executing process which is done in a MS-DOS with ALT plus R keys. Enter the ALT plus R keys. Next, after linking, the program code will be generated. The program code means which is ready for execution without any errors. Then the code is a programming code. The programming code is ready for execution. The execution process will be done in C++ programming is MS-DOS mode. Whenever we enter the ALT plus R, the output will become. Next, this is the process. Open Turbo C++ editor. Next, write the code. Save the file with .cpp. Next, compile the program. If any syntax errors is there, next correct the code, and again save the file with .cpp. If there is no errors, link with library. Here link with library means math.h. If we are take maths operations, we take math.h. So in this example we take power. It is a mathematical instruction. So we take math.h library. So link with library, then run the program. Okay, thank you.